Do you replay conversations in your head? Imagine worst-case scenarios? Overanalyze small decisions for hours? That's not just thinking too much. That's your brain trying to protect you. In this video, you'll learn why overthinking happens and how to stop it using neuroscience-backed techniques. Let's rewire the anxious brain. What is overthinking? Overthinking is repetitive, unproductive thinking. It feels like problem solving, but it rarely creates solutions. Instead, it increases anxiety and drains mental energy. The brain behind overthinking. Overthinking starts in the amygdala. The amygdala detects threat, even social threat, embarrassment, rejection, failure, uncertainty. When the amygdala senses danger, it activates stress hormones like cortisol. Then your prefrontal cortex tries to solve the danger, so you think and think and think. Your brain believes, if I analyze enough, I'll stay safe. But safety never arrives. Why overthinking gets worse at night? At night, distractions decrease. Your brain finally becomes quiet. Unprocessed emotions rise to the surface. Fatigue also weakens the prefrontal cortex, which means less rational thinking and more emotional spiraling. How to stop overthinking, science-backed methods. 1. Name the fear. Overthinking feeds on vagueness. Ask yourself, what exactly am I afraid of? Be specific. Naming the fear reduces amygdala activation. Clarity creates calm. 2. Set a worry timer. Give yourself 10 minutes to think. Write everything down. When the timer ends, stop. This trains your brain that worry has limits. Structure reduces chaos. 3. Shift to the body. Overthinking lives in the mind. Calm lives in the body. Try slow breathing, longer exhales, progressive muscle relaxation, walking without your phone. Physical regulation quiets mental noise. 4. Challenge the thought. Ask, is this fact or fear? Is this helpful or harmful? What is the most realistic outcome? The prefrontal cortex regains control when you question the narrative. 5. Reduce decision fatigue. Too many choices overload the brain. Simplify small decisions. Create routines. The fewer daily micro-decisions, the less mental clutter. 6. Accept uncertainty. This is the hardest step. Overthinking is an attempt to eliminate uncertainty, but life is uncertain. Peace comes from tolerating not knowing. Safety does not come from perfect prediction. It comes from resilience. Signs you're rewiring your brain. Thoughts feel less intense. You stop replaying conversations. You fall asleep faster. Decisions feel lighter. You catch spirals earlier. Change feels subtle, but repetition builds new neural pathways. To summarize, overthinking is a survival strategy. The amygdala triggers threat detection. Cortisol fuels repetitive thinking. The prefrontal cortex can regain control. Body-based regulation reduces mental spirals. Accepting uncertainty weakens anxiety loops. You are not too sensitive. You are trying to stay safe, and your brain can learn a new way. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to PsycAcademy for more brain rewiring tools. Comment, what do you overthink the most? Your mind can become quieter, one practice at a time.